Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own patent. First, you need to understand the different types of patents, such as utility, design, or plant patents, and what exactly can be protected. Next, perform a comprehensive patent search to confirm your invention is truly new and non-obvious. This crucial step helps avoid wasting time and resources on an unpatentable idea. Finally, ensure your invention meets all the legal requirements for patentability before proceeding further. Once you've confirmed your invention's patentability, the next step is preparing your application. This involves drafting a comprehensive written specification that fully describes your invention, enabling someone skilled in the art to make and use it. You'll also need to create precise drawings, often several, illustrating every feature. Crucially, you must formulate clear and concise claims, which are the legal heart of your patent, defining its boundaries and protection. With your application complete, it's time to file it with the appropriate patent office. You'll need to pay the necessary filing fees, which can vary significantly based on the type of patent and the size of the entity filing. For example, a small entity might pay 1/2 of the standard fee. You might also consider filing a provisional application first. This secures an early filing date for 12 months, giving you more time to prepare your non-provisional application. After filing, your application will undergo examination by a patent examiner. You will likely receive office actions detailing any rejections or objections. It's vital to respond to these promptly, typically within 3 months, addressing each point raised. This often involves amending claims or providing arguments. If successful, your patent will be granted. Remember, to keep your patent in force, you must pay periodic maintenance fees, usually at 3 1/2, 7 1/2, and 11 1/2 years after grant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.